The 3D Print Cost Calculator, Material and Time helps you calculate the true cost of your 3D printing projects, including materials, energy, and equipment depreciation. Let's walk through each input field. First, enter your material weight in kilograms. This is how much filament your part will use. Next, input your filament cost in dollars per kilogram, the price you pay for your printing material. Then add your print time in hours, how long the job will take to complete. Enter your electricity rate in dollars per kilowatt hour. Check your utility bill for this number. Finally, input your printer power consumption in watts, typically found in your printer specifications. For this example, I'm using 0.05 kilograms of material, filament costing $25 per kilogram, and a print time of 3.5 hours. With electricity at $0.12 per kilowatt hour and printer power consumption of 200 watts. After clicking Calculate Print Cost, here's what we get. Material cost is $1.25. Energy cost is $0.08. Depreciation estimate is $3.5, giving us a total cost per part of $4.83. This breakdown helps you price your prints accurately and understand where your costs come from. Find the link in the description below.